I am the soil. I am in the hills and in the valleys, the farms, the orchards. Without me, humans could not exist. But they treat me like dirt. Do you realize that I'm just a thin skin on this planet? And that I'm actually alive, full of organisms that grow your food. But I'm broken, aching, overused, sick because of you. You have withered me away to less than half of what I used to be just over 100 years ago. Are you paying attention? I am turning to dust, so maybe you could treat me with a little more respect. I suppose you still want to eat, right?